Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. There is a lot to talk about. If you guys have not paid attention to the chart in the last 24 hours, it is forming a very strong uptrend, and maybe it is just starting off to a very big bull run and make a lot of people millionaire. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu and just the cryptocurrency market, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video just to show everyone how strong the Shiba Inu army is. If we get 104 likes, I will be super happy. But other than that, let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into it. Now, boys and girls, to start off with today's video, let's look at the 1 hour chart for Shiba Inu and look at the trend it is starting to form. It is very clear, everyone is able to see that we are in a very strong uptrend. If we decide to see from here, you can see this higher high is obviously lower than the next higher high, and exact same thing follows. So the next higher high is obviously higher than this one, and the same thing follows from the bottom. You can see that this lower low is lower than the next one, and the same thing happens after that, so clearly stating that we are in a very strong uptrend. Now keep in mind that this uptrend cannot be broken very quickly, but there is a big factor that is driving this uptrend and forming this whole thing. If you guys have not been paying attention to Twitter in the past 24 hours, everyone in the Shiba Inu army is going crazy talking about Robinhood. You guys know Robinhood has been pressured so much to start accepting Shiba Inu and add it to the portfolio, so the users of Robinhood are able to trade cryptocurrency Shiba Inu. Now, one thing you guys need to understand is usually what happens inside of cryptocurrency market is whenever there is a rumor, it starts driving the coin higher, and that is exactly the same trend that Shiba Inu is forming at the moment. So most likely you guys can see that it is being driven up by Robinhood, and another factor being Elon Musk. Elon Musk has been asked so many questions after he denied that he does not own anything inside of Shiba Inu. Everyone on Twitter that is part of the Shiba Inu army is starting to ask him questions about Shiba Inu, causing a lot of eyeballs to start searching up Shiba Inu. Another thing is, you guys can see in the candle channel, it is starting to form a very slow uptrend, and keep in mind that's a very good sign, because whenever there is an extreme bull run, we're not able to predict which way we are gonna end up, but whenever there is a small uptrend, we're able to see that it is forming a very strong triangle that actually helps us starting to climb. On the other end, you can see the RSI has broken above the high point, which is at 70, which is not a good sign, because that means there can be a small pullback. A small pullback could be just to 46, and then we can have a small consolidation period, and then we can carry on the uptrend. Now, the reason I predict that there might be a small consolidation period in the short term is because there might be some whales that will decide to sell and a lot of whales that would decide to buy in. You guys know recently there's just been so many buy orders for Shiba Inu coming in, so it just seems to be looking pretty good. And there are also a lot of whales that are deciding to sell Ethereum to buy Shiba Inu. I know that sounds crazy, but everyone sees the profit that Shiba Inu is making for everyone, so that's why the whales are deciding to walk in before it is too late to walk in. Another thing that is very important is I highly recommend you guys pay super close attention for the next 24 hours, because if Robinhood decides to drop the wallet or they decide to add Shiba Inu to the portfolio, it is going to make a huge difference to the Shiba Inu price, and I will be personally very interested to see what ends up happening. But overall, the zigzag line shows that we are most likely going to be carrying on until at least 65. That is going to be the prediction by most of the people, and you can see that it usually follows the trend where it comes down a little bit and then carries on, which is a really good sign, because it cools off before just going crazy. Now, another very interesting article that was posted by you today. So on Twitter, Jason Derulo, who is an artist, says that he was earning early into Shiba Inu. You guys can see right here, while Shiba Inu is on a tier, I gambled early on this one for fun, and we do not know how much he bought in, but still I can tell you for a fact he has made a lot of profit if he was very early into it. Another thing which was posted by you today as well is 28 billion SHIB wired by Elon whales as coin sits at 46, 0.00046. For 28 billion, that is close to, you can make the prediction, that's close to like $1.3 million or $1.7 million. Oh, there we go, $1.3 million being pressed at the price of 46. That is crazy, and it was shared by Etherscan. So you can see that there are a lot of whales that are also keeping a very strong eye on Shiba Inu, and they're putting in a lot of money. $1 million into Shiba Inu is just crazy. And what I was talking about right here, you can see Ether Whale bought 276 billion SHIB is something big coming. An anonymous in Ethereum whale decided to go on SHIB coin shopping. The whale bought 276 billion SHIB token, which is close to 11.5 million USD. That's a lot of money being put in, and this is only in the last day. I'm talking about in the past 24 hours. This is how much has been put in, while an Ethereum whale just bought 276 billion SHIB token. We haven't seen a whale transaction this big in quite some time. This is massive and sends a clear signal that he/she knows something is coming. I mean, you guys know when Robinhood comes in, it is going to make a big difference. So I guess they're trying to cash in on that news when it drops. Personally, I'm excited to see what happens, and just in general, what is Shiba Inu doing? It is crazy, and this article will actually help you understand that. So A&B Crypto today came out with an article saying Shiba Inu, here's how long before a correction sets in. And in this article they say that the correction might set in close to 50. 50 is the point that everyone is expecting, or 53 is the max that is going to happen, and then there will be a small correction that will take us all the way down to 43, and then we will start climbing from there. I mean, the correction is important. A lot of people think when there is a correction it's really bad because hey, the coin price goes down, but keep in mind whenever there's correction, it just gives the coin some more boosters to climb back up from there. So keep in mind the correction will help, and the Fibonacci level will be at 138%. Now moving on, Shiba Inu 48 all-time high. What's driving SHIB today? Shiba Inu sets all-time high at 48. Shiba Inu community reacts to the recent price drop due to Elon's tweet. Shiba Inu price regains a bullish movement. So you can see that the whole community was trying to backfire on Elon because Elon tweeted against SHIB and the price dropped. Everyone wanted to actually help out SHIB and show Elon that he does not control the price. I guess it did work because we are back into the bull market. And the final article that I want to show you guys is this. Shiba Inu price trend far from over. SHIB targets 7. That is crazy. Another 50% jump. Shiba Inu price takes a breather as RSI points to be overbought, as I just mentioned. Shiba price shows additional tailwinds with spillover effects from Nasdaq, Tesla and Bitcoin, drawing Fibonacci retracement levels where price could go next in this uptrend, an 83% gain. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, I highly recommend you guys scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.